Good morning, Poland. Good morning, Wrocław.
Just remember that you create your life.
Yes, here I am for another 2 weeks. And then I'm going to... I will not tell you yet. I arrived about 1:30, I guess. It's time for coffee now.
I think my godson bring that from Panama.
It smells amazing. Let's check it out. Nice. Yeah. Coffee is life. Whoa, I have built my office here. As you might know, I am learning how to trade, yeah, on Forex as well as crypto market, because this is something that if you got this skill, you can use it on any market possible, actually, if you know how to read candlesticks. I will be doing my trading series called NEOtravel, but that will be something different. I will not teach you how to trade. I will tell you and share with you my knowledge about basics of it. So what books I've used, what kind of tools I'm using. So that will be something for the very newbies in that, and you can realize if that's for you or not, because anyone can do it, but not anyone will. In my opinion, it's a very good skill to have, but it will take time for you to make it work, to know how to read this, yeah? Have a look. Yeah, you see this? And this is what's going on now on my MetaTrader. Here you go. Yeah, almost 200 pips. I finally hit my 70 rep on Steam. It was going that slow that I thought that I will never get there. But yeah, it is in. Yeah. Do I showed you the dog here? Called Snoopy? Snoopy! Snoopy, come here. Oh, Snoopy, Snoopy. Snoopy, Snoop, Snoop, look. Look, Snoop, Snoop. Snoop, Snoop.